From humble beginnings to high-tech, the story of electric guitar pickups and the rise of pocket amps. The electric guitar, an instrument synonymous with rock and roll, owes its voice to the often unsung hero, the pickup. These marvels of electromagnetism translate the physical vibrations of strings into electrical signals, allowing guitars to be amplified and heard over a roaring crowd. But the story of the pickup is far from a one-note performance. It's a tale of innovation, adaptation, and a surprising connection to the technology in your pocket. The earliest electric guitars, dating back to the early 1920s, were rudimentary affairs. They relied on microphone-like devices positioned in front of the sound hole to capture the sound. However, these were prone to feedback, a howling squeal caused by the amplified sound re-entering the guitar and being picked up again. The solution arrived in 1924 with the invention of the single-coil pickup by Lloyd Law of Gibson. This design used magnets to create a magnetic field around metal coils. When the strings vibrated near the coils, they disrupted the field, inducing a tiny electric current. This current, though faint, could be amplified to create a clear and distinct guitar tone. Single-coil pickups, while a breakthrough, had their drawbacks. They were susceptible to electrical hum, a constant low-bit buzzing sound caused by electromagnetic interference. To combat this, in 1934 Gibson introduced the humbucker pickup. The brainchild of Seth Lover, the humbucker utilized two coils wired in opposite polarity. This clever design effectively cancelled out the hum while preserving the desired guitar signal. The evolution of pickups continued throughout the 20th century. Different magnet types, Alnico, ceramic, and coil configurations P90s, Filtertrons were developed, each offering a unique sonic palette. The emergence of high-output pickups in the late 1960s catered to the growing demand for heavier rock music, while active pickups, with built-in preamps, offered a hotter, more sculpted sound. Now, let's bridge the gap from vintage instruments to your pocket. The rise of smartphones has brought about a revolution in portable music creation. Smartphone apps can simulate an array of guitar effects, and a new generation of pocket-sized guitar amplifiers, known as PV amp kits, have emerged. These compact amps utilize the same fundamental principle as their stage-sized counterparts. They have a built-in amplifier circuit and a small speaker. But here's where the story becomes interesting: many PV amp kits forego traditional speakers altogether. Instead, they rely on the smartphone itself as the final speaker. The smartphone connects to the PV amp kit using a headphone jack or Bluetooth. The guitar signal from the pickup is processed by the amp's circuitry and then sent to the smartphone. The smartphone, acting as a mini PA system, plays the amplified sound through its own speakers. This technology makes practicing and recording guitar more accessible than ever before. It allows musicians to experiment with a variety of tones and effects without the need for bulky equipment. And it all stems back to the ingenuity behind those little pickups nestled within the body of the electric guitar. In conclusion, the story of the electric guitar pickup is a testament to human creativity and its constant push for improvement. From the early days of battling feedback to the present era of pocket-sized amps, the pickup has been at the heart of the electric guitar's voice. As technology continues to evolve, it will be fascinating to see how pickups and guitar amplification continue to shape the sound of music in the years to come.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like this stuff, please subscribe, share, and like. And thanks.